All right, this is my first unboxing, and I'm going to try to do it with one hand. So this is my Alesis drum module for the studio. Thank you, Sweetwater Sound. You guys always do a great job. Packing, never had a problem. So we're going to open this baby. I'm using one of my modeler knives. Like I said, I'm trying to do this with one hand. Okay, it should open. Okay, so let's see what we have here. I think we got another piece of tape right here. All right. And I think we got another one that's stretching to the other side here. All right. And we got that. We take this apart. Open it this. That, and what do we have? We have a nice thank you from the people at Sweetwater Sound. I've been in a lot of business with them. And of course, get your candy. They always throw candy in there. It's cool, man. No Tootsie Rolls this time. What's up with that? All right. It's got some Laffy Taffy. The Laffy Taffy. All right. Getting off beat here. All right. So take this away, and there is the Alesis Strike multi-pad. These things, let me tell you, whoo, ever since they've come out, they're never in stock. And I kept talking to my sales rep there, saying, hey, when they come in, let me know. Inevitably, a couple would come in, but they were already reserved. So about a month ago, he emailed me and said, hey, we got some in. If you want it, you better grab it. So I said, sign me up, brother. And here it is. So I'm looking forward to this. I'm using an old Yamaha, real old Yamaha drum module to add drums to some of my work that I'm doing, tracks. But this is going to take it to another level. I can tell you that right now. You know, got the cash money kit. All right, so let me just take it out. Let me see if I can just lift it up out of the box here. Let that go down. I'm going to do this with one hand. Okay. All right, so there you go, guys. Nice wrapped, boxed. I'm trying to see if there is, okay. Need a little, see, we got a bunch of words on the side. Mac and PC compatible, Ableton Lite, Pro Tools first, but sorry guys, I'm a PreSonus person. Up to PreSonus 3, I started out PreSonus 1. After the problems I had with 3, and especially I think it was with burning CDs and stuff like that, I just decided not to upgrade anymore. So I'll probably, until something really comes along in their software that I can't live without, I'm probably going to be with PreSonus 3, version 3 for a very, very, very long time. Professional version. Love the mastering part. Okay, so yeah, this is it, guys. I don't know if I can open the box with one hand without destroying it. Well, I mean, what we got here? Nope, it's not a hinge. I thought that could have been a hinge there. All right, you know what? I'm not going to mess up the box. So there you go, guys. We'll check it out a little bit later. Bye-bye.